community faces the danger of a desecrated throne. Shock stares everyone in the face. Miracle Films comes again with Opportunity. Who the cap fits.
Chudian Ponyami himself protects that child.
Others are merely opportunists who rebel the clouds. Opportunity. Who the cap fits. Starring Fred Amugi, Kofi Ajololo, Jane Brockman O, Emmanuel France. Guest artist Stefan Eleriman as the missionary. Opportunity. Who the cap fits. Marketed and distributed by Miracle Films, Opera Square, Accra, ADOM, Kumasi, Obwasi, and Takorai. Opportunity. Who the cap fits.
Good luck. Remember, we need you alive. May the gods of our ancestors guide you. Thank you.
Yes, and I want you to trust me.
Please come back to me.
I will. I promise you. I will be back in 3 days. It's time
Little brave mortal being, what are you doing in this world of ours?
Nana, a friend of mine is dying, and I need a leaf from the life-giving plant to save him.
You are a long way off, but there's nothing impossible once you set your mind and heart on it. Be strong in the spirit, and remember, you can get to the plant only through the heavens. Farewell.
Sorry. Take a little more, please. Please take a little. Sorry.
see. Oh, wait. Oh, in front. One hour, the whole. One see. Or from Maya, my back. One see. 1 hour, the whole. Make up from Maya. A duke of from Maya. Nam Kama say. One sample brown cheerful true. And with different and your swan. Yes, you know. One thing to say, oh, Papa, what did for? Well, yeah, it's a wonderful president, our summer. Well, first lady, Mammy, was one. To say, oh, Minister of Sicknesses. When Nimna upon whatever call. Come and see what's the last over to my woman. Me over to my woman. Who over to my woman? For the Brian Coon. Share what the last coffee, or Cotia Pine. What chatting? No, Yemen.
Hey, can't you see he's sick? Why are you treating him like that?
Bravo.
What? I brought you some food.
What? One more cook was champagne. I saw Cotia Pine. Share what? The number one. What is the planet? I promise you. One minute, hey, Miss Frau, working and when I say credit to her. For my mess, Namu Kudi, William Metro Tech, one poor jam. What's not you? Maybe not there, would you make powerful? One poor jam. One minute, you go, oh, what's wrong, let's say. What's wrong, let's say? What's wrong, Mamma, no papa? Oh, what's wrong? Mr. Who said, credit to us, credit a cabinet. I'll see one. Oh, woman, what you found fire about the poor? Yeah, I'll go free.
I'll bring you another food, okay?
I've got the leaves. I've got the leaves. Yes.
Congratulations, my son. You have achieved a great feat, and you shall forever remain in the history of this village.
Thank you.
Now, let your friend go and apologize to Chewa. When you finish that task, come to me tomorrow. Your friend shall live.
Thank you, Nana.
Welcome back, my son.
Kwame. 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 Kwame.
Kofi.
Kwame.
You are back.
Yes, Kwame, I'm back. I've got the leave. And Okomfo said you will leave, okay? But Kwame, we have to go to Chewa and apologize to her.
Okay. I don't know how to thank you and your wife enough.
Sorry. Brago, do you need some water? Brago, get it.
No.
Okay.
I will never forget this wonderful thing that you have done for me.
Sorry. Don't worry.
I want you to know that I will forever be ready to sacrifice.
Oh, sorry.
For you. Thank you very much.
That friends for.
Please. When are we going to see Chewa?
Now, okay? We have to go now, okay? Yes. Don't worry. We'll leave.
Okay.
Brago, help me. All right. Hey, coffee. Please, give us some tea.
Please, come here.
Thank you. Take your time.
Please, do you care for some water?
Oh, no,
thank you. You are welcome to my humble home. How may I help you?
Chewa, we came in peace. See, we don't want to go back to the events of the past. We are here because my friend Kwame accepts the fact that his parents wronged your family. And we are here to apologize and ask for your forgiveness. Please. Just forgive him. Please.
Jiwa, please forgive me. My father sinned against the gods and you. Jiwa, please forgive me. I know he forced out of your hands your husband. You're all and all, but please temper justice with it. Temper justice with mercy and let me live. Let me live.
Please.
Please.
Let me live.
Please forgive him.
Let me live. Let me live. Please.
Please forgive him. Please.
Let me live. Let me, please. Forgive him. Let me live.
Well.
Please.
I must say, until you came here, I was really bitter.
Sorry.
But your presence here has helped in soothing my wounds.
Shiva. Please. Please.
From my heart, you are forgiven.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Please, if you don't mind, can you please accompany us to the landing dispute for the case to be revoked?
Please.
Okay.
Please. Please.
Please, Chiwa.
Please.
Please, we beg you.
Chiwa, please.
Please.
Please. We beg you.
Yes. Chiba, please.
Please.
Let's go.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.
Trade up for coming. Sir. Safia. Sir. Get up. Now that everything has been put back to normal, this land, Chewa, is rightfully yours. You can feed on this land and pass it to next generation that will come after you.
Thank you, Nana.
You are healed!
I'm healed! I'm healed! Come here! You are healed! I'm healed! I'm healed! I'm healed! I'm healed! Thank you very much. Thank you. Oh, God. Let's go. Let's go into the finish. Let's go.
Look, what is the matter with you, Kwame? You look too quiet for my liking.
Kofi, there is something eating my mind. I am grappling with this fear. I don't know what to do.
What could be so fearful?
It's about the land that were left by my father.
What about them?
Come to think of it, this land dispute between my father and Chewa nearly sent me to my grave. If you saw those charms that were dug from the ground, who knows? You might have put some of the charms on the other lands. I might not survive if I should step my foot on some of the lands. And if I don't farm, I won't eat. So what am I going to do now? What?
You have a point. I think there might be a danger. So, why don't you talk to my uncle? He might have some good advice for you. Okay?
That's a very good idea. I will do that. Thank you very much.
Come on, let's go and get something to eat. Bravo will be waiting. So you just remain calm and let's wait for my uncle, okay? Everything will be alright.
Oh, good evening.
Oh,
Over.
okay, good evening.
You said you had something to discuss with me.
Oh, yes.
What could it be?
Aja, it's about the farmland left for me by my father. Judging from the prevailing circumstances, I've decided not to farm on any of them because I fear for the worst.
There are lessons to be drawn from what has happened. People work so hard to acquire land and property for their children and their children's children. Your father left land so vast that I don't think there's a single person in this village that has land legacy more than you. Yet in the midst of plenty, you lack more than any person in this village.
Ja, you are right. So, please, what must I do?
Well, for now, keep your distance from those lands. I have a piece of land. I will give it to you to farm. So that you don't go hungry. And then see what you can do later.
Eja, thank you very much.
Don't mention.
May the gods bless you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
What I say?
Eno. Pacho Maju. Pacho Ejao.
What does? What to see what you are sorry and just an from Miura. Pacho when you are never.
Yo.
Oba.
Yo.
Hey, Kwame.
Eja.
Akwaba.
Eja. Jamajo.
Kwaba. What brings you here tonight?
Eja, to go straight to the point. I've seen a beautiful girl I want to marry. And please, I want you to stand in as a father to perform the marriage rites.
Kwame, a child does not remove the feathers of a bird before bringing it to an elder for identification. Now, who is this girl? I should know her.
Eja, she's Kusiwa. I've talked to her myself and she's ready to marry me. And I'm totally convinced she's the one I should marry. Eja.
Well, so be it. Just inform me when you are ready. Okay. But I must see Kusiwa myself.
Okay. Thank you very much, Eja. Thank you. I will bring her.
Okay.
All right. Mr. Kwan.
Yo.
Bye-bye.
Yo. Kusiwa. No.
Kwame.
Find yourself a seat.
Yeah.
Oh.
Kwame.
Oh.
Thank you. We just had our lunch.
That is it. So,
I can see the newlyweds are really enjoying themselves.
Yes. Oh. Seriously. You see? So, how are you finding marriage life?
Look, there is nothing like it. Look, can't you see how I've put on weight? Look, I feel like I'm in heaven. Oh. Thanks to Kusiwa.
Thank you very much for taking good care of him.
He is also taking good care of me.
Oh.
Papa. To be sincere, Kwame Nti is a very good husband. Oh. And I love him so much.
Hey! Adobe cool. See what I don't know.
Anyway, what brought you here?
Oh, as you can see, since you got married, we've not been able to pay you a visit. So today, I and my wife sat down and decided to visit you and see how you are coping with marriage life.
Well, as you can see, we are doing very well, both in bed and in other things. Oh. And you know what that means? Oh.
Oh, it's blood and young couples.
Oh,
Kwame.
Kofi.
Ofa.
Brago. Very soon, I'll be leaving to join your mother. Aziedu.
Ofa.
I gave Brago to you because I know that when I am no more, you will continue to love and take care of her.
Ofa, you know I love Brago so much, and I will never do anything to hurt her. I promise you that.
Father, please don't die. Don't leave me like Mother did. Please.
Death is like a shadow. You cannot run and leave it behind. It is inevitable. We will all taste death once in our lives. Now the two of you, listen to me carefully. There is a pot of gold hidden in my farm. You can locate it under the palm tree in the middle of the farm where we used to cook our food when we go to the farm. I want you to better your lives with it. But listen to these instructions. When I am dead, don't touch the gold until my 1 year's celebration. It is extremely important. Do you understand?
Yes, Papa.
Yes, Sofa.
Thank you.
You may go.
Papa, now we're gonna want Krabby, oh Papa. Papa, so when you baby what you want, the society be back. The society be back. Oh Papa. Oh Papa, you be down, you be down. Papa, you be down, Papa, you be down. Mama, damn.
Totobi. Papa no deo, Mama no deo. If you want to kill me, Kadai. I will never follow you to that station.
Oh, Mami,
I must be going.
Oh, come on, so soon. Wait a while as we finish the palm wine. By then, the food will be ready.
You see, Kusiwa might have finished with hers. Oh. And you know women, if I don't eat, hell break loose. So please understand her.
Alright.
When Brago comes, tell her that I'll make up for it next time.
Alright.
Hey, put it down. Wait.
Totobi.
Kusiwa. Look, bring my food. I'm hungry.
Where have you been? Go back to where you are coming from and eat.
Did I say something wrong? I simply requested for my food. And why all this shouting? Look, hurry up with my food. I'm hungry.
Kwame, are you deaf? I said I did not cook any food. So go back to Brago's house and eat.
Look, Kusiwa, stop what you are doing. If you are pulling my legs, then it is not funny. Stop playing such games with me. Bring my food.
Okay. Should I make myself clearer? I did not cook any food.
Why?
How many times have I warned you not to visit Asiedu and his wife and to stop eating in their house?
And how many times have I told you I can't stop seeing that friend, that best friend of mine? Huh? How many times? Someone who put his life on the line to save me.
Then go and marry that best friend of yours and stop boring me with where is my food? Where is my food? Tell me, did you marry me or Asiedu? Huh? Did you marry me or Asiedu?
Don't you then follow me.
Shut! What do you go for fear? What do you come out to me say? Cause you some who fool me or they go. What about to me say?
Oh, this all didn't cheer. Let's see.
What could be so funny? Have I eased on myself or something? Look, if you people don't take care, I'm going to discipline you well. One time in count.
Whom are you talking to? Huh? Whom are you talking to? Ask? Hey, we are Pepe. Huh? Bibusa, we are Pepe. Are you up to here? Are you crazy? If we are not like the others who tolerate your nonsense, if you don't check yourself and behave well, I will discipline you here and now. Who do you think you are? Ata, so why chafu sano? Ata, don't waste your breath on this useless thing. Something which cannot even cook properly.
Why have you kept so long in coming? Eh? You almost got me worried. Eh?
I'm sorry. When I got to the stream, Kusiwa and 2 other people were fighting, and I had to separate them, take her home before I went for my water. I'm very sorry.
You said Kusiwa was fighting 2 other people?
Yes.
Why?
I don't know. She was so angry I couldn't ask her to explain. But whatever it was, it's not a justification for a respectable married woman to fight in public.
Oh.
Talk to Kwame to advise her against these things.
I don't think that will be advisable.
But we are friends. If they are disgraced, it affects us too. And Kusiwa is becoming too notorious. And this is not her first time.
All right, I will see what I can do.
Look, what you did this afternoon is very, very embarrassing. Very, very.
What do you expect me to do? To shut up like a dump? Sorry, I can't do that.
Look, can't you understand? You are tarnishing our image. You are disgracing us. Huh? This is not the first time. Not even a single week that I don't receive complaints from people about you. Eh? Kusiwa.
Meyare, my badam, Kwame tie message. I find 2 people laughing and making fun of me. I ask for an explanation. They insult me, which results into a fight. And here comes my husband accusing me of bringing disgrace upon his house. What at all is wrong with you? Huh? How can you be so stupid?
Kusiwa, you call me stupid. Have you forgotten I'm your husband? Huh? Why can't you be like Brago?
I thought as
much.
Respect
your husband a little bit.
I thought as much. She's the cause of all these things. She's your everything now. She cooks for you. She does everything for you. I hope she's not also preparing a bed for you. You wait till I see her.
So do sakana me kun.
What? For what did you form? Didn't I bet me? Why me to dinner bet me? We are Bama from Sakami. We are Bama coming to Sakami. We are Bama coming to Sakami. We are Bama. Mister, no one will kind of me.
Watch out. Me had you.
We are Bama. We are Bama. Mister, we are Bama. Mister, Kwame. No one will kind of me. Mister, no one will me. We are Bama from Sakami. We are Bama from Sakami. Mister, we are Bama from Sakami. We are Bama from Sakami.
What?
Me want you to go now. We are Bama from Sakami. Have you been able to help yourself? What did you tell my husband?
Please calm down and just settle whatever issue maturely.
What did you tell my husband yesterday? Era, why can't you leave me and my husband alone? We've had enough of you. We've had enough of you. Look, I'm not going to leave my husband for you. We've had enough of you. We've had enough of you. And should I see you and my husband again, I swear I'm going to kill you. Read my lips. I swear I'm going to kill you. I swear I'm going to kill you. And what see some Nyano Kruko Fiesiedu, Nyamu Nimani Samka, or Catching Zamibaha. So a bar, Catches a man, open up for Miami. Oh, you come to some it's so, but when your last one is only me Krujaho. What John Baby do? I see some, but when your last warning. Oh, what damn. I see some.
Can you pass him where soon? A boy, can you pass him where day? Nipa no bunny brassen, you'll be one assassin. Oh, bunny brassen, assassin on your Hong Kong. Yeah, can you pass him where soon? A boy, can you pass him where day?
In fact, I'm ashamed of my wife's behavior. I don't know what came over her. Please, accept my sincere apology and forgive her for our friendship's sake. Brago, please forgive, forget.
I don't have any problem with your wife. I'm not offended. Just advise her not to ridicule herself in public. Okay? Get up.
Kwame. Yes. You know we are more than brothers now.
Oh.
As my wife said, we don't have any problem with your wife.
Kofi, thank you very much. Brago, thank you for making this easier for me.
I'm okay. Don't worry.
Brago, I don't know what to say.
Yet rapid and crawl of the rain. Sikana, Asasiana, Ahunyana, Wayna, Sewa, Yanfanko, Yanko Sewa, Yatima,
Kofi, Kofi, what's wrong with you? What's wrong with you?
Nothing.
Oh. I've observed you for some time now. You don't seem to be of yourself. There is something wrong. I can feel it. Please tell me I'm your wife. Please. Please.
Brago, sorry I'm putting you through all this. You see, I'm just worried about you. You are pregnant and you work too hard. If only we can get access to the gold, then all these problems will be solved. But you see, we still have about 5 more months to go. Oh.
We've been patient for 7 months now. Why this change of mind all of a sudden?
Look, the 5 months left is like eternity. Anyway, why do we have to wait for about a whole year?
Father left that instruction. Please, let's respect his will.
But we need money, Brago. We need money to tackle important issues. Look at your present state now. I mean, can't you understand?
I'm surprised you're talking like this.
How?
Kofi, we are just left with 5 months. Please be patient. If you rush in life, you will run and leave all the good things behind. Please don't worry about me. I'll be okay. Please. Please. Please, for God's sake. Please. Please.
Kusiwa. Is there something wrong with me?
Why this question?
Some people seem to have everything, whilst others don't have nothing.
What are you talking about?
Why am I so unfortunate? Oh God. You see this friend of mine, Kofi. He told Gritty, and he warned me not to tell it to any other third person.
And so
please, don't let it go beyond the two of us. Please, promise me that.
Look, you better tell me or shut up.
You see, he told me that Jacob left them some gold money, and they can't touch it until after 1 year.
You mean they have gold?
Yes, it is hidden in their farm.
Where? Where exactly?
I don't know where exactly, but he made mention of a palm tree in the middle of their farm.
Kwame, this is our chance. This chance comes but once in a lifetime.
What are you talking about?
Grow up. Grow up. Their uncle left it hidden in the ground. It could be true or false. So let's take advantage of the grace period and search for it. When we find it, we keep it for ourselves.
You are mad. You are mad up here. Look, we are talking about my best friend. Look, I owe my life to him. Stop any discussion on this issue. Case closed.
Mami, hadi aboko na anam. Kusiwa abuwa kusie wo hoi. Won pia wia agise bibi pamu no. Na sane no suo to ye. Aka kakra bi na nka yeda no efa pai Iti sayanshana ya nyo. Esusu ta to biemu a. O mame, me ho ba kire me pa. Iti me sidaw. Ka kire ukunu na jisika mame. Ate sidaw.
Mommy, things are not rosy here. We are also going through crisis. But all the same, I'll tell him.
Mate. So, when do you come for the money?
Mommy, I have not promised you anything yet. Please give me some time. I must talk to my husband.
Ate. Inim se twie de ampo nyankopon. Obeye. Wate. Nia, ukunu ba chi ana mame. Esere kwan.
Ene ni nyame nko wai. Nyame dia ne ngam ko ja kwan.
Asemba ba debi. Asemba ba debi oh. Asem ke se ba vanga si so. Asemba ba debi. Asemba ba debi oh. Asem ke se ba vanga si so. Yeah, proper name. Yeah, proper day crawl of the rain. Sikana, Asasiana, Ahunyana, Wayne, I see you, Young Franco, Uncle Sawa, Yatima,
Quanti,
Father, Yatima.
Thank you very much. Come dear Damon.
Oh, thank you.
My mother paid us a visit today.
Oh, I see. How is she?
She's fine. Just that she came with a request for money.
Again?
She said she needs it to repair her roof, destroyed by the rainstorm 3 days ago.
Kusiwa, why are you doing this to me? You know my inside out. And you know I don't have any money with me at the moment.
What about the gold?
Cause of ancestors. Why did I tell you this? Look, tell your mother I don't have any money with me.
Stop being a coward.
Hey!
Why can't you stand on your feet like a man? Why do you allow a dog to bite you when there's a stick by you? Look, you better find out where the gold is. I'll go for it myself.
I'm not staying here to listen to any of your nonsense.
Hey, Kwanti.
Assemble by the bee.
Kwame.
Assemble by the bee. Oh. Assemble by Francis. So.
What do you call?
Yeah, proper name. Yeah, proper name. Crawl of the rain. Sikana, Asasiana, Ahunyana, Wayne, I see you, Young Franco.
She and the men kwambede. I breed them one. Punish him. I punish him. Punish him. say what option?
Ha, committee. Me no buy na washi ni nyina duro ben no. Se ni wani mu ye wan hwe ya ma me check ha. A dipa na be ye wo. Wonim se fo na washi no no. Me ni bi wo ba bia kan no ho. Na me ma na wo hwe. Se wan hwe ameka ho bibia. Be yi wo fi wiase.
Je poku me siro nya ko tire wan.
Bra. Mano. So ati nya me kan ye. Na wo hwe. Now I'm so na me ba na me san kamisika e na obu pasia semo akwa da bia ye po e jashian da ru no de wo de wonte na ba be shimafu wo ya na ma na wo so na me ba na sa me san kamisika adan de be hu de be sifia
Yes.
So ne wonum de no be awie wo. Ko pe de we fo mu. Ko pe de wo ho. Wa ya si ya de wonum si ya wo de.
To do everything for you, including putting his life online for you.
Yeah, proper day, crawl, rain. See, Hannah, Asasiana.